Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to find free to play games on Xbox Xbox One store quickly and easily.
Method 1. From the Xbox Store, Step 1. Turn on your Xbox One and go to the home screen. Step 2. Press RB to move to the Store tab. Step 3. Select Games. Step 4. Scroll down and find the section called Free to Play or Top Free Games. Step 5. Open it. You will see a full list of free games you can download. Method 2. Using the search bar, Step 1. Go to the store. Step 2. Open the search option. Step 3. Type free or free to play. Step 4. Xbox Store will show all free games and demos. Method 3. From Microsoft Store app, phone/PC. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store app or website. Step 2. Go to Games. Step 3. Click on Free or Free to Play category. Step 4. Select any game and press Get. It will be added to your Xbox account.